Hey, how's it going? I got this really cool new thing for my GoPro. It's got this clamp on it and really heavy duty. Can clamp on anything. The GoPro goes on here and this will bend any old direction, and it's really strong. Anyway, I've got that, but what I'm going to do is, because I want to try and get a different angle on the window painting videos. See if I can improve that at all. So this is my helmet. Obviously I've been using it while I was painting, and I've got the GoPro hooked up here and in the little case. So here I can just I can pop this out, so the GoPro is separate now, and then I have this attachment here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another one of these little gizmos on the side. So I'm going to put this on here, and these are super sticky, and I'm going to attach it to the left side of my helmet since I'm left-handed. There's a little ridge there, so I'm going to push that in. Make sure it's good and tight, and then on this thing I can detach it from the clamp like so, and then I can put it on the helmet like this. Oh, I guess it goes. Maybe it goes this way. There we go. So now I got it on the helmet. And then I can take the GoPro and put this on the end of here. Alright. And now I can get like a different angle. It's going to look funny. I'm going to look like a bull or something with one horn. Alright. Alright. It looks a little odd, but it should work great, because now I can adjust the GoPro and put my hand right in front of it when I do the inking and stuff and the painting. So I'm going to try this out on my next video. And I could also turn it sideways or point it down. You know, I can even point it in at my face. So we're going to try this out and see how it works, and see if it'll help me make even better videos for the window painting. Alright. So if I hold something out there like that, it's going to look good, or if I'm going like this. If I'm painting over here, it might be a different story, like painting right in front of myself. So I'd have to kind of turn it like that. So I'd have to adjust it depending on what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm in my backyard. Let's see if we can clamp it on the fence here, see what it does. Alright, I got it clamped right on the fence there. The lens is about, maybe 3 feet from my face. How's it look? And it's adjustable, like if I want to turn it this way, you know, for a different angle or a different shot. Or if I want to point it up at the tree. This would be great for time-lapse stuff too. Hey everybody, how's it going today? It's Friday, April 8th.
Come here, Mr. Squirrel. Come here. Come on, Mr. Squirrel. Let me go get you some nuts. Come on. Come on down.